The rookie sensation, Kaapo Kähkönen, in goal. He has won 9 consecutive games. At the other end, Moshe, the Avalanche first half MVP going away. Philip Grubauer.
And the puck is picked up by Brodin. Sends it up and out. Here comes Eric Sinek into the Avalanche zone. Now Kaprizov shoots off the side of the cage. Minnesota did score a power play goal 2 nights ago. All right, here comes McKinnon with the drop pass. Still 1:10 to go in the Avs power play. Landeskog will try the left wing through Greenway. Copped it up to Makar. High slap and a shot. Score! It might have been deflected by Kadri down deep. Makar let it fly, and immediately, all of the season, he let a cannon of a wrister fly.
And there will be that relief for Cale Makar. He has taken a lot of shots, had a lot of good opportunities, and we have seen him be so effective with that shot from the point. And it's not the big bomb, Moshe. He will. I've seen him,
Works it to the near side, wanted to drop it. Nice anticipation by Kaprizov for the Avs. Keep it in front. Saad jumps at it, gloved. Butterflied out of the air there by Kähkönen as it was rising to the top of his mask. Walks, shoots, and is saved by Kähkönen. That right down to the ice. That puck real behind the net. Burakovsky with a lead pass right on the tape to Graves. Drop pass finds Burakovsky with a wrist shot. Save, rebound. Avs will kick at it. There is Saad. Icing is waved off. Taves will sidestep, and now Makar right on the tape to McKinnon. He'll fly into the wild zone. McKinnon looking, giving it off. Down the Landeskog shoots, and he saves Kähkönen score! Gabe Landeskog flips it off the rookie netminder. It'll crawl over him to the back of the net, and the Avs have taken a 2-0 lead.
Sort of wild. How did that go in? Did Rantanen interfere with the goaltender? Because all I saw was Landeskog at the end of this reach. It looked like he reached up.
Did he punch it?
That's what I'm saying. Did he actually hit it right here? Boy, is that going to be tough. Because the puck was rolling down.
And that puck will careen up and out. Set ahead, Calvert, a slap shot and a blocker saved by Kähkönen. Steers it off. Zuccarello with a wrist shot. It's blocked away, and that stung Taves. He hasn't moved quite yet. The Avs cannot clear Kaprizov. Out of Bukestad out in front. Knocked away by Grubauer. Loose puck. Gets the puck back. Fiala tried to set it out front. Taves cut it off. Here's Hunt walking in. Shoots. Saved by Grubauer. Bashed away. Turnaround shot. Saved by Grubauer. Has it at the point. Now it's Suter. Gives it off. One-timer save. Rebound. Shot toward the net. And McDonald may have saved a goal.
Opens on Monday, so make sure to do that. Nominate people to come to those games. Nuggets and Avs, March 30th and 31st.
Off the post by Landeskog as the puck was laying in the slot. Top line out for Minnesota. Gets the top line for the Avalanche. Brodin works his way in. Tried to send it into the crease, but Grubauer knocked that one away. Mikko Rantanen springs it down the right wing. Here he comes. Rantanen with a wrist shot. Score! Out of nowhere, Mikko Rantanen lets the wrister fly inside the near post. He may have gotten a double doinker. And the Avs have taken a 3-0 lead, and that was like a lightning bolt.
Moshe. This, again, he is just exploding right now. Last game he walked in, and this is one of those, when you're on the bench, Minnesota, your shoulders just drop. Grant Fuhr special right there.
Yeah. Here you go, Mess. Go crazy. Here you go, Wayne. Knock yourself out. Here comes Don Stoyan. Shot. A score! Tyson Jost. He gets a tally, and the Avs strike twice in the first 1:53 of the second period. It's a 4-0 lead. Good job as that puck rose up.
Of all the guys, Moshe, that you would pick to score, Tyson Jost is right at the top of the list. He has worked so hard. He has sacrificed himself. I've watched a lot of hockey.
McKinnon, a pirouette move. McKinnon drops it for Makar, shoots over the top of the net. Steers it to the point. Cole couldn't hang on. Here comes P.E. Bellemare on a breakaway. Shoots, saved by Kähkönen. Landeskog Sends it down the slot. Saved by Kähkönen. Loose puck. Pounded by Parise, but not out. Bukestad has lost his twig. Here comes Rantanen. Mikko dangling. Finds Makar. Holds, looks, and shoots. And a save by Kähkönen. Kaprizov. And dished it off. With wide Zuccarello. Back at top. One-timer. And that cut down, Matt. Tyson Jones. Stung him a little bit. He's back on his skates. Kaprizov turns it on net. Rask back in. Can't find his shot. Kaprizov delivers back to the near side. Saad right there to take it away. Bumps it up looking for McKinnon. He's onside. McKinnon. Second pass shot. Score! Devon Toews able to rip it home past the blocker of Kähkönen. The Avs with a 5-0 lead in the left wing and got a perfect pass.
That was, if that's onside, that's unreal. Saad makes that nice little pass, but McKinnon to catch that pass motion. I can't tell you how fast he was going down that right wing.
Linesman was right there. McKinnon, his third point of the afternoon. Minnesota Wild player inserted into the lineup today. Kramer Rosa down low. Eriksson Ek. There's a shot by Susie and another save by Philip Grubauer. Get off their game plan.
And they're just trying to get something started. And again, Graves, who has
swings it to the left point. Ian Cole couldn't gather that puck in. Donskoy to Graves. Ryan Graves ahead for Nichushkin. He'll march to the front of the cage. Score! Val Nichushkin rumbles deep into the Minnesota end and backhands it home past the glove hand of Kähkönen. The Avs have poured it on today. Sixth.
And for Nichushkin, when you're watching this play, you have to understand, the man can fly. And he's coming through at 6'4", 220 pounds, with all that speed, all that determination. Look at him just put his body. And just an absolutely great play. Moshe.
You can see where the creativity is going to pay off for him in the future.
Moshe jumps up into the play.
Nichushkin tries it again. Saved by Kähkönen. Here's Girard walking in. Swings it into the corner. Cross-ice pass. Burakovsky shoots. Save. Rebound. Tipped wide of the net. Centering pass. Bonino got a stick on that, but Girard will pick up the loose change. Shields with his body for Toews. Burakovsky tries the dot again, and that one's off the end of the right pad of Kähkönen. Puck is down. Up top, Brodin. Steers it off for Susie. Got through Landeskog. Down low. Susie with a shot. Saved by Grubauer. Rebound. Saved by Grubauer and then pushed wide by Zuccarello. Coming up with a loose puck is Cale Makar. He'll spring. Landeskog to Rantanen. Mikko is in. Shoots. Save. Rebound. Saved by Kähkönen. That puck lays at the top of the crease. And Kaapo Kähkönen finally scoops it between his pads. Fiala in the near circle. Avs trying to sweep it away as Belmar jammed to the near side, couldn't get it out. Fiala. Now to Zuccarello with his shot. Saved by Grubauer with his glove. And the gigantic Nick Bukestad was right there on the doorstep.
Goaltender comes over to the Avalanche. Just 13 games of NHL experience, but he will join the Avalanche.
He was an all-star in the AHL. Kadri with a shot. Saved by Kähkönen. They'll hold on. Movement is fluid. He sees everything. He's just at the top of his game. Graves with a shot. Saved Kähkönen. Joseph with a backhander, saved Kähkönen.
All aspects of being just a hockey player and a goalie.
Yeah, mention how confident we are. So are the Avs as they skate well in front of Philip Grubauer, give him a 6-goal cushion, and beat the Minnesota Wild 6-0.